games for dollars. We are working on InboxDollars app, or you could use the swag bucks for this game. This game is called Merge Gardens. So, to show you the highlights, first you have to be a first-time user. You can try to achieve these levels within 40 days. So, if you reach level 35 in 3 days, you get $25. If you reach level 56 within 10 days, you get $150. If you reach level 5 within the 40 days, 5 cents. Level 7, 10 cents. Level 15, $2. Level 20, $3. Level 51, $25. Level 62, $100. Level 100, $200. All of these rest, that's for people who want to play the game. But you can play it for free. So I have already installed it. I have already reached level 2. So I'm going to try to play to level 5. And what you do, the main objective is to create your own garden by matching and completing puzzle. Reach the level that I had mentioned before. And like I said, there's a time limit. And you must complete all the events within 40 days. Now some tips is merge, merge, merge. Merge the eggs. Try to do more than 3. Merge animals. Merge everything. And keep your eyes on the puzzle and your move. And you'll see what I mean. Oh no, so I made a mistake. I am at level 3. So I'm going to start by doing the puzzle because that's easier for me. So look to the left. I have 30 attempts to remove the books and the yellow pieces. So here we go. Got a rocket here. I'm going to use that to my advantage. Look like I don't have no problem with the yellow pieces. All right, this will do it. This is like my 6th puzzle. I love doing the puzzles. Always click free. You're going to need them. So I'm in here now. So now this is where I merge the plants, the flowers, and they tell me tap them all over the place. So I'm tapping to get points. I got 61 coins. I'm merging these eggs. These are birds that will provide nectar for us. There we go. Wildlife score. As I'm doing this, I'm healing more land. So I'm tapping where they tell me to tap. Yeah, maybe she getting herself another mat. Oh my God, could you imagine? You have a garden to grow a man. She had Mike, now she had Richard. She's gonna be a garden whore. Watch. All right, so I'm merging these three things. Or maybe I tap it. Yes, I tap it. Then I merge. Now I can merge 5. And I could get some XP point. There we go. Let me merge 5 again. Oh, more than that. I think I did 8. I don't get no XP points. Oh, yes, I got 40. Ooh, I'm level 4. Yep. Level 4. Yay. I ain't buying shit. Yeah, I'm cheap. Oh, I gotta do 2 puzzles. No, I don't pay for nothing. Nope. Are you sure you want to leave this offer? Yes, yes, I don't pay. No, I don't pay. No. I don't pay to play a game. No. Maybe if I was rich, but I'm not rich. I'm a poor gal. All right, let me see. I'll merge these 3. Very good. These 3 flowers. Very good. What are these? Willows? I don't know what they are. I'll merge that. Ooh, ooh. Okay. These are coins, I think. Tap. Tap. I'm tapping all over the place. Oh, no, no. Reach power level 5 to unlock. Okay. Well, I will be at level 5 in a minute. Let me see. And treasure chest automatically. Tap on that. Oh, these are logs. Oh, I need another one. Oh, these are... I got 5 of these. So let me try and merge them. No. I need space. Oh, that's right. Gotta be careful with your space. Oh, I see 3 trees. So let's merge them. Yes. All right, I'm gonna continue to tap. Absolutely not. Oh, okay, never mind. Alright, I got 4 of these little things, so let me align them. Good, I got these 3. Oh, what's that? Ooh, 20 XP. Merge the nectars. I'm not going to tap the basket because I don't have those gems. Only got 10. They want 35. Cute little birds. Okay, let me see this. Oh, sorry, y'all. Yeah, I got 4. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna try the puzzles. Alright, 25 attempts. I need to get rid of 42 books and 40 of that red element. Oh, I gotta remember that. Okay. I'm gonna use that bomb. Okay, I need 23 books. 13 attempts. I'll use that bomb. I mean the rocket. Now the bomb. Oof. Oh, I'm not doing too good here. I'm gonna have to use the bomb and the rocket. Alright. Now my ratio is 1-to-1 now. Okay, let's use these 2 rockets. Ooh, I'm close. All right, I can make it. I can make it. Yay! Oh, skip. Okay. Click free. Click free. Click free. Okay, so I have passed level 5, level 6, and I'm approaching level 7. So, let's see. So, the tips of this is just merging. And when you tap on this, it'll tell you the information. Like I had tap on the amber nectar. You need the birds. to do its business, and you'll get nectars all over the place. So let me click on the arrow to the left of the screen. Level up. Level 7. So see this here? When I need enough points, I'll play the puzzles here. I could buy things like birds eggs, sprouts, and when you merge it, it'll turn it into something a lot higher. Coins. Alright, so now I passed level 5 and 7. I should have let credit into my inbox dollar, so let's see. Alright, enough of this playing. So I am credited with level 5 and level 7. So play Merge Garnish. You could download it from InboxDollars or Swag Bucks. When you sign up, you'll get a sign up bonuses in addition. Thank you.